everyone, this is me, Virat. On the behalf of my team, I'm going to represent our project. These are my teammates Agrim and Tanish, and we have decided to make a robot named ATK Bot, all-terrain climbing robot. Introduction. Our robot is actually a stair climber which will, along with moving on stairs and rough terrain, will also move on levels plane where we will use custom wheels which will be replaceable as per our requirements. Our robot will also be connected with accelerometer which can be used as activity predictor of our robot. This robot can be used to transport lightweight objects within the building like hospitals for quick and easy transportation. The robot will go to different floors taking the medicine as well as small objects. Moreover, activity predictor which is fitted can be used to predict the activity of the robot or the person whosoever is wearing it. It can be used to check the health of a person. It can also be used as security purposes to monitor the activity of prisoners along with identifying trespassers and patrol a certain place. Moreover, it can also be used for space exploration and to make it run on different terrains for video shoot or some other reasons. Then comes the hardware part. We are using Arduino Uno, which is used to activate the motor and also will interact with our smartphone or remote control. Hence, our robot's movement will be decided by this microcontroller. Other hardware include battery, geared motor, Bluetooth module, motor driver board, a novel adapter, and accelerometer for activity prediction. We will also require software such as Arduino IDE version 1.8.5 for writing and uploading the code. Now let's see the overview and setup of our robot. Here you can see a simple block diagram representing our setup. Arduino Uno is in the center, which is connected to DC motor driver along with the power source, which are in turn connected with the Bluetooth, heavy load DC motors and triangular architecture. Our robot will contain 4 wheels which will be made up of cardboard. Then we will attach our motor and geared motor to the channels. The motor will be controlled by remote control, giving commands to move forward, backward, start and stop. Then we'll do shafting and mount the wheels, chains and sprockets. After this, we'll connect the Arduino Uno and the battery to our setup. In addition to these, we can also add a camera to our robot to monitor and gather the surrounding information. Then comes the testing part. It will be last step of our project. Here, we'll test our robot by controlling it and moving it on different terrains. We'll check if it is following proper commands, and the final step is to make the video of our working project. Technologies we will learn by working on this project are Arduino programming, robotics, embedded system. Thank you and have a nice day.